Alright, here's I wouldn't say halfway, but get the handlebars off, all the levers, exhaust. You can see he rebuilt the top end, so he must have not done the rings right. Obviously there's no compression anymore, so just gonna pull the motor out right now. I'm not gonna pull the wheels off yet, so it'll still be a roller. Just a little quick walk around. Oh, I was gonna say the trick to taking apart bikes is make sure you put every bolt back exactly where it came from. You know, it just makes a difference, because you don't want a big nest of bolts. So, yeah, keep it clean. It'll go back together just as smooth as it came apart. So, alright, just a little update.